Ding Ding keep coming back for food. Ding Ding, you no need wait outside until I open the door. You're welcome. You're always welcome, okay? Oh, poor Ding Ding. Ding Ding, why are you growling? It's your sister. She alright? She's your sister. Real sister, I mean. Oh, sorry. Camera shy. How about these two? Bảo Bảo. Oh, you want more? Okay, you get more. Mimi 真乖，宝宝。Oh, poor Lucky. Have to wait everyone finish. Only lighter. Come on. Eat a bit more. 係啦，乖啦，丁丁真乖。No need growling. Lucky. 哎呦 your own sister growling you. Why? Lucky want to go out, but Ding Ding not happy. Oh, Ding Ding just only got her voice, only got sound. Mia, what's that bunch of leaves? Hey, why you hit your sister? That's not nice. Ding Ding, that's not nice. Hey? And then 飛機耳呢 aeroplane ear. Ding Ding, eat a bit more. Ding Ding. Ding Ding, come here. Eat a bit more. Be a good girl. No need growling. I told you 1,000 times. I like that kind of sound. You know, I always step on it. I have to step on it. I don't want to hurt my hands. I like autumn, you know, make the... Stop it. Make the leaves... This one not ready yet. The sound is not right. Have to a bit more dry. When step on it, they crunchy. 係咪啊？丁丁真乖，丁丁。Lucky, your own sister growling you. Oh, Lucky, Auntie call you. Lucky.